Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best manual coffee maker is probably one of the most rewarding ways to experience coffee. It gives you complete control over every aspect of the brewing process. From the grind size and water temperature to the pouring technique and brewing time, you're the master of your coffee destiny. This hands-on approach allows you to fine-tune your brew to perfection, unlocking the full potential of your favorite beans and creating a truly personalized coffee experience. Number 5. MuellerLiving 34-ounce French press coffee maker. This rust-free stainless steel French press is perfect for any situation. Whether you're camping, at the office, or at home, it's durable and ready to go. The double-walled carafe keeps your coffee hot and flavorful. This French press makes up to 8 cups of strong coffee. You can also use it for tea, hot chocolate, or even keeping frothed milk warm. A handy chart in the manual helps you control the strength of your brew. It's easy to use. Just add your coffee grounds and hot water, give it a stir, and add the lid and filter. After waiting 4 minutes, press the plunger. Now, your coffee is ready to enjoy. This coffee press is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The plunger and filters are also easy to disassemble if you prefer to hand wash. We recommend cleaning it after each use. Say goodbye to coffee grounds in your cup. This French press features a coiled filter, 2 stainless steel screen filters, and a metal cross-plate filter, ensuring a smooth and delicious cup every time. What we like. This French press is made of durable stainless steel, perfect for taking anywhere. Its double-walled design keeps your coffee hot for longer. If you are looking for a robust and flavorful coffee experience, this is the one for you. Enjoy a full-bodied brew wherever your adventures take you. What people say. This unit is all metal, stainless, is pleasantly heavy and has the feel of quality. Stays hot an unexpectedly long time thanks to the double-wall design. A stainless steel container, a lid that twists around so that you pour it with the arrow toward the spout, turn the arrow around and it keeps the coffee hot for a long time. Number 4. AeroPress Original Coffee Press. Tired of bland coffee? This innovative device combines the best of multiple brewing methods. The result is a smooth, rich, and grit-free coffee with a delicious, full-bodied finish. This patented technology uses agitation and pressure with microfiltration. It allows you to use finer ground coffee, extracting the purest flavors. This process keeps bitterness out of your coffee. Unlike French presses, this eliminates bitterness and acidity. It creates a smooth, rich cup of coffee. The microfilters ensure a fast brew and no grit, and cleanup is incredibly easy. Compact, durable, and lightweight, it's perfect for travel. Pack it in your bag and enjoy great coffee wherever you go. Say goodbye to mediocre hotel coffee. This coffee press is a standout gift for coffee lovers. It promises a unique coffee experience, making it an ideal present for any occasion. It's sure to bring a smile. We believe in this product, and we want you to love it too. That's why it comes with a 1-year warranty. It's easy to use, easy to maintain, and loved worldwide. What we like. This innovative coffee press uses a unique 3-in-1 brew technology, delivering smooth, grit-free coffee. It's also compact and travel-ready, making it ideal for coffee lovers on the go. If you like a quick and easy brewing process with exceptional results, you should consider this. What people say. It is easy to do and easy to clean. The very first cup tasted great, smooth and full-bodied. The brew time is short. It only takes about 3 minutes. What you get is good express strength coffee, but it is easy to elite it so that you get what you want. Number 3. Zulay Classic 6-Cup Moka Pot, Red. This Moka pot lets you brew rich espresso the traditional way. Simply fill it with your favorite coffee grounds and place it on your stovetop. You'll soon be enjoying delicious lattes, cappuccinos, or espresso. Crafted with durable, food-grade cast aluminum, this espresso maker ensures even heat distribution. It features a safety valve for higher caffeine extraction, a heat-resistant handle, and a built-in spout for easy pouring. Cleaning is a breeze. All parts disassemble easily. Just rinse the components with water and let them air dry before reassembling. Avoid using soap to preserve the coffee's unique aroma and flavor. This portable coffee maker is durable and lightweight, perfect for travel. Whether you're using an electric or induction plate, you can brew the best tasting espresso wherever you are. Note, not for use on gas stoves or open flames. We are proud of this espresso maker and back it with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make it right. This product may contain chemicals known to cause harm. What we like. This stovetop espresso maker brews rich espresso the traditional way. Its classic Italian design ensures quick and even heating for a rich flavor. If you are looking for a portable and easy-to-clean espresso maker, this is the perfect choice. Enjoy delicious espresso anytime, anywhere. What people say. Finding the right amount of heat took some trial and error the first couple of days, but once I found it I've been happy ever since. I like strong coffee full of flavor and this Moka pot does not disappoint. This pot is the perfect size and makes espresso quickly, and the method is exactly the same as I remember my grandmother from many years ago, but I can put modern espresso varieties in the pot and come up with a cup far better than any barista. Number 2. AeroPress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit. Introducing the AeroPress Go, your new travel companion for delicious coffee. This compact coffee maker lets you enjoy a perfect cup wherever you are. It's designed for ease and convenience. The AeroPress Go combines the best of French press, pour over, and espresso methods. It brews full-bodied coffee without any bitterness or grit. This innovative design ensures a smooth and flavorful experience. Unlike other methods, the AeroPress Go delivers smooth, delicious coffee. It's incredibly easy to use, with a brewing time of just a minute. This makes it perfect for brewing delicious coffee on the go. With the AeroPress Go, you can brew hot coffee, espresso-style shots, or even cold brew in minutes. You have total control over your coffee. Experiment and find your perfect brew with this portable coffee maker. Simply add coffee and water, stir, and press. It makes 8 ounces of regular coffee or 1 to 3 espresso shots. It can also make cold brew in just 2 minutes. The medium fine grind is recommended, but you can adjust to your preference. AeroPress is designed in Silicon Valley. The materials used are free of BPA and phthalates. They are focused on inspiring coffee lovers to revolutionize their coffee routine. What we like. This travel coffee press is designed for on-the-go brewing, offering a fast brewing time. It allows you to brew hot or espresso-style coffee, or even cold brew. If you are a traveler or someone who enjoys different coffee styles, it is a great choice for you. What people say. The AeroPress is not going to make, likely, the best cup of coffee you've ever had, but I'm willing to bet it will not make the worst either, even if you've gone rogue and completely ignored any AeroPress recipe or technique. First, if you plan to take it with you either to work, school, college, university, it's designed to be contained in one items. Technically you do not need a cup or mug, but unless you plan to brew inverted you may need something to pour your water into. Hint: the inner cylinder plunger holds what I think is a perfect amount of water if you're using volume not weight measurements, freeing up the cup to make the coffee in the non-inverted way. If you grind your beans while your water is boiling, you can go from taking the AeroPress out of your cupboard or bag to having it rinsed off and put back in under a minute. The flavor is better than any regular coffee machine. If the unit seems small, the trick is that you use it to press out a strong coffee concentrate. Add hot water to make an Americano, or milk for a latte, ice for a cold coffee, it's your choice. Number 1. COLETTI Bozeman Percolator Coffee Pot. Some things should never change, like the way coffee is meant to taste. This Percolator coffee pot is crafted from pure stainless steel, with no plastic or cheap aluminum. The glass view top lets you watch every drop brew to perfection. Whether you're brewing in the mountains or at home, this stove-top coffee maker keeps it simple. It's designed for adventure, guaranteeing a satisfying, hot brew anywhere. This Percolator coffee pot stovetop works wherever the road takes you. The Bozeman Percolator coffee pot stovetop is built for the most demanding trails. It has no fragile parts and no complicated cleanup. A quick rinse, and it's ready for the next sunrise. It also includes a pack of filters for a smoother cup. Good coffee takes patience, and this stainless steel Percolator coffee pot rewards it. The steady heat of percolation draws out deep, full-bodied flavors. You will get smooth, hot coffee, every time. This camping coffee pot should last a lifetime, and it will. If it ever fails, we'll replace it. It's built for adventure and backed for life. This percolator is ready wherever the road takes you. What we like. This percolator is crafted from pure stainless steel, ensuring no plastic or aluminum touches your coffee. It is built tough for the outdoors, making it perfect for camping. If you are a fan of bold, full-bodied coffee and enjoy outdoor adventures, you should definitely consider it. What people say. It's all metal and glass with a wood handle. I grind my coffee beans to a coarse consistency, therefore there is not a need for purchasing paper filters for this coffee pot. Good build quality. Able to use on electric ceramic hob. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.